boys and girls, and welcome to my channel. I am Miss Kim, and today I want to share with you a fun little book about trains. And I want you to be sure to listen to the rhyming words as I read through this story. Rhyming words. What does that mean? That's right. Rhyming words are words that sound alike. For instance, chain, train. Yes. Now I want you to listen for all these rhyming words and see if you can pick them out. Are you ready? Let's begin our story. Terrific Trains by Tony Meaton and Aunt Parker. Let's begin. Big trains, small trains, old trains, new, rattling and whistling, choo, choo, choo. Look at those colorful pictures. Did you hear the rhyming words? That's right, new, chew. Keep listening. Starting from the station with a whistle and a hiss, steam trains huffing and puffing like this. Diesel trains rushing as they rattle down the line, warning us they're coming with a long, low whine. Who's driving that train? It's a rabbit. Metal wheels whirl as they whiz along the track. They shimmer and they swish with a slick click clack. Coaches are coupled in a neat long chain. An engine pulls the coaches that makes a train. There's the coach train, look, that make up part of the train. If a train meets a river or a valley or a ridge, the coaches rumble over on a big, strong bridge. That's right. Look at that. That is a big, strong bridge. If a train meets a mountain, it doesn't have to stop. It travels through a tunnel and your ears go pop. Have you ever been through a tunnel in your car maybe and your ears pop? Yeah, you have that popping noise in your ears, don't you? When too many trains try to share the same track, the signals and the switches have to hold some back. Ah, there's the signal. Yeah, it has a stop and a go. Yeah. When the rail meets a road, there's a crossing with a gate. The train rushes through while the traffic has to wait. Yeah, have you ever met a train when the long arms come down and tell you to stop? Yeah, we have to wait if we're in a car, don't we? We get to watch all the train go by. There's a rabbit and a bird, and I think that's a squirrel. They're in the coach part of the train, aren't they? Trains travel anytime, even very late. This train's delivering a big load of freight. Wow. See, they don't only carry people, they also carry freight, don't they? This train's for passengers. It's ready at the station. All aboard and wave goodbye. We're going on vacation. Did you hear those rhyming words? Yeah, station, vacation. Rabbit has a pretty good sized suitcase there, doesn't he? Well, let's learn about train parts. We heard when it talked about rails. These are metal strips that form a pathway called a track or a railroad line. Some trains get their power from an electric rail. See that right there? That's the electric rail. What is this? That's right, the whistle. This makes a noise to warn everyone that a train is coming. And there's the signal with the red light and the green. This tells engineers when to stop and go. Then we have the coach. This is for carrying people, called what? Passengers. Very good. And this is the freight car. This is for carrying goods, called freight. And this is when we talked about switches. These are the short rails that move to let a train switch from one track to another. Wow, look at all those train parts. Boys and girls, I'm so glad you joined me today in learning all about trains and train parts and their travel over the tracks. And I want you to remember that a good book and your imagination will take you anywhere. Until next time, bye.